Instant noodles, while a widely popular modern food today, have a fascinating and rich history that is closely linked to significant events in world history. The birth of instant noodles originated from a revolution in the food industry in Japan during the 1950s. Instant noodles were invented by Momofuku Ando, a Japanese inventor, with the goal of providing a convenient, affordable, and easy-to-make food during tough times. After World War II, Japan faced severe food shortages. Momofuku Ando, with his vision, invented instant noodles to provide a nutritious and easily accessible food for families, especially those living in poverty and hardship. Instant noodles not only offered a quick meal, but also became a creative product that helped alleviate hunger and supported the economy during the recovery period after the war. With the rapid advancement of technology and consumer demand, instant noodles quickly became a part of everyday life, not only in Japan, but around the world. Instant noodle brands like Nissin, Indomie, Maggi, and many others have quickly dominated the global market, catering to a world that is increasingly busy and has less time to prepare complex meals. Today, the technology behind the production of instant noodles has advanced significantly compared to its early days. Noodle manufacturers today focus not only on improving the noodle-making process, but also on investing in advanced technologies that enhance product quality, optimize productivity, and reduce environmental impact. One of the key innovations in the production of instant noodles is the shift from deep frying to steaming. While frying gives the noodles their characteristic crispness, it also increases the fat and calorie content, which may not align with modern consumer preferences. As a result, many manufacturers have shifted to steaming the noodles. Steaming helps preserve the flavor and structure of the noodles while significantly reducing the fat content in the product. Furthermore, the advent of fully automated machines has optimized the instant noodle production process. These machines can handle everything from mixing ingredients, kneading dough, rolling and tinning it, to cutting noodles, steaming or frying, and finally packaging the product. This automation not only increases production efficiency and reduces manufacturing costs, but also ensures consistent quality across all products. In recent years, the instant noodle industry has focused on improving the nutritional value of its products. Manufacturers have started replacing regular white wheat flour with more nutritious ingredients such as whole wheat flour, cereal flour, barley flour, and even vegetable-based flours. These new instant noodle products are not only delicious, but also provide additional fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which help improve consumers' health. Additionally, with increasing consumer awareness, instant noodle brands are working to reduce sodium salt levels, remove trans fats, and offer lower fat options. Many companies have also launched noodle lines with lower sodium content, more fiber, and gluten-free versions. These efforts reflect the industry's response to the growing demand for healthier and more sustainable food choices. As consumer demands have evolved, so has the market for organic and vegan instant noodles. Leading brands have started producing noodles that are free of artificial colorants, preservatives, and are made from organic ingredients. These developments not only cater to the growing organic food market, but also meet the needs of health-conscious individuals and those who wish to minimize their environmental impact. Instant noodles are not only a convenient food, but also have a deep cultural significance. In Japan, instant noodles are not just a quick meal, but are an essential part of daily life. Noodles are prepared and enjoyed in a variety of ways depending on personal preferences and regional styles. In Japan, people often add ingredients such as eggs, pork, seaweed, or vegetables to enhance the flavor and nutritional value of their instant noodle dishes. In countries like South Korea, instant noodles also hold a special place in culinary culture. Korean instant noodles are often enjoyed with kimchi, a traditional fermented dish, creating a delicious and spicy meal. Korean instant noodles are also famous for their intense spiciness, catering to those who love bold, flavorful dishes. In Southeast Asian countries, like Indonesia, instant noodles are a staple in many households. Indomie, a well-known instant noodle brand from Indonesia, has become a cultural symbol of the country, widely beloved and consumed by the population in large quantities. Instant noodles have also made their way into Western countries, where they are seen as a quick, convenient solution for a meal. Despite being perceived as fast food, instant noodles maintain their unique flavor and quality, making them a popular choice worldwide. With continuous advancements in the food industry, instant noodles are evolving to meet the needs of modern consumers. In the future, we may see the development of noodles with added nutrients like plant-based proteins, vitamin supplements, or even noodles that replicate international cuisine's flavors. Although instant noodles have been criticized for their high sodium and fat content, the food industry is working tirelessly to create healthier, more sustainable versions. As consumer preferences shift, instant noodles will continue to evolve, maintaining their core identity as a quick, easy, and affordable meal. Instant noodles, initially created as a simple and convenient food solution, have grown into a global symbol of convenience and speed in today's busy world. From their origins in post-war Japan, instant noodles have spread worldwide and become a staple for millions. Instant noodles have transformed the way people eat, solving food scarcity issues while also offering a diverse and creative culinary experience. The journey from raw wheat flour to the final packaged instant noodle product is not just a sequence of industrial processes. It is the result of technological innovation and the relentless efforts of inventors and producers. Every step of the production process is carefully designed to ensure that the noodles not only provide convenience, but also maintain the delicious flavor, crunchiness, and texture of each strand, from production to consumption. The perfect balance between advanced technology and traditional methods is what has made instant noodles a global success. Over the years, instant noodles have undergone a revolution in both production methods and ingredient composition. In addition to streamlining production processes, instant noodle manufacturers have constantly improved their products to meet the growing demands for health and environmental responsibility. Today's instant noodles are gradually replacing harmful ingredients like saturated fats, salt, and preservatives with healthier alternatives. The use of whole wheat flour, organic vegetables, and even the reduction of sodium levels in products clearly reflects the industry's commitment to the well-being of consumers. Additionally, with the rising demand for plant-based and vegan diets, instant noodle products have adapted to meet this need. Plant-based instant noodles, free from animal products and made from organic ingredients, are now gaining popularity. This not only enriches the food options for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, but also contributes to environmental protection, as plant-based food production has a lesser impact on ecosystems compared to animal-derived products. This not only enriches the food options for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, but also contributes to environmental protection, as plant-based food production has a lesser impact on ecosystems compared to animal-derived products. In Japan, instant noodles are not only a convenient food but also a part of everyday life, often consumed as a quick dinner or comfort food for families, and even as a favorite at social gatherings. In Korea, instant noodles are regarded as a food with national significance, often eaten with kimchi, a traditional dish of the Korean peninsula. In Southeast Asia, brands like Indomie, Indonesia have become a national treasure, found everywhere from family kitchens to street food stalls, further solidifying the role of instant noodles in everyday life. Moreover, instant noodles play a vital role in emergency situations, providing a quick and easy meal when time or resources are limited. Rescue workers, military personnel, students, and busy workers often turn to instant noodles as a convenient way to stay energized during tough times, proving its invaluable contribution to people in various circumstances. Looking ahead, the future of instant noodles is equally exciting, as the need for food that not only satisfies hunger, but also supports health, environmental sustainability, and ethical production grows. The instant noodle industry will continue to innovate. Future instant noodle products are likely to be more nutritious, containing added vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to boost health and immunity. Furthermore, manufacturers are likely to place greater emphasis on reducing packaging waste, improving recycling, and using environmentally friendly materials for packaging. This shift will not only meet the rising demand for environmental responsibility, but also align with consumer trends toward sustainability. In conclusion, instant noodles are more than just a quick meal. They are an integral part of our daily lives, evolving and adapting to meet the changing needs of the world. From a creative solution to post-war food shortages, instant noodles have become a global icon, not only in Japan but across the world. The development of instant noodles demonstrates the perfect combination of tradition and modern technology, convenience and quality. Instant noodles will continue to evolve, meeting society's changing demands, helping save time, effort, and still offering delicious meals. So, the next time you enjoy a steaming bowl of instant noodles, remember that you're not just indulging in a fast meal, but also experiencing a part of a long and innovative history in the food industry. Instant noodles, with all they bring to the table, will undoubtedly remain a staple in the lives of millions around the world for many years to come.